Our faculty have really resounded greatly. We started on Ultra before the gradebook had a lot of its tools built out. And so as the gradebook has been building out features and supporting more, I think Stephanie was mentioning the efficiencies that were built out for faculty for their facilitation of their courses. That really has been a pretty good motivator, just having the features that were available to support their work. And those have only gotten better over time. The sorting controls have been added. The capability to drag and drop has become much smoother and much more functional. I think all of those, the attention to detail in a lot of those features and the way that they're still growing and still being enhanced as we go over time has really been a motivating factor. If you've been in and using it and you're seeing all of these advancements, they've really continued to use it because they see and hear what faculty are saying, and the use of the idea exchange has been very powerful in that.
Awesome. Anybody else want to jump in on that one?
Listening sessions too is also a good way in terms of gathering feedback, having that feedback loop, having that direct dialogue with faculty. So we've had a couple of listening sessions and have brought in some of the Blackboard client experience team within that conversation for them to be able to also hear feedback from the launch perspective. And then I know that our faculty also will have more of a couple of internal listening sessions just to see and hear from their peers of what's happening and ways to improve, and then certainly feedback to share.
Awesome. Stephanie, did you want to jump in on that one too?
Again, as Carly said in particular, the gradebook had been somewhat of a problem. A lot of those complaints have been addressed. And then groups was another one early on that was a problem for faculty when they first moved into it. But again, groups have significantly improved. There are more improvements on the roadmap coming soon. So that has been less of an issue than it was initially. And the process of transitioning differs so much faculty member to faculty member, where one person had said in a department meeting in his academic department, it took him about 30 minutes for each week of materials to make the transition. Whereas I've heard other faculty claim that it takes hours to move anything over. So there's differences in perception and differences in experience. And that has a lot to do, I think, with faculty's adeptness with technology and their comfort level with technology in general.